Well, let's just say that's never the sentiment you want your fans leaving a race from, and especially considering that was only on FP1, which lasted a whole of 9 minutes before that happened, where Carlos Sainz hit a drain cover, whatever you want to call it, that was not welded down like they were supposed to, and you can hear it watching right there. And all the sparks and everything, he ripped it right up, and it did a ton of damage to the car, which made Ferrari angry because one massive amounts of money had to be spent because I think it was an engine and suspension and floor and a whole bunch of stuff. And that's the hole in question right there. So FP1 got canceled after 9 minutes. So every single one of those drain covers could go get checked. And that meant this is where the main problem begins. FP1 lasted 9 minutes. They canceled FP2 for public viewing. So you had multiple people, or not multiple people, you had about 35,000 fans who were told, hey, you gotta leave. No questions, ifs, ands, or buts. And if you don't, well, you're going to be, how you say, trespassed and arrested for it. And this is the F1, whatever you want to call it, statement. No, sorry, no, nothing, whatever. Just, there it is. Fans being told by the police, you've got to leave. Sorry, you've paid hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars to go watch this. Too bad. Which is not a very good look for F1. There's already a lot of people mad about this race because of all the problems this summer from having to repave the whole track, and then the fact that all of the public viewing areas or any like cross bridges or anything had all the viewership or something plastered all over them so you couldn't see through it. So, lots of money, and if you live in town, you can't get there. And now they might be, well, they're not, might be. They're apparently there is a lawsuit against F1 for this because of the 35,000 fans who paid a ton of money and got shafted, basically. No refund. They were told you have a $200 voucher to the F1 gift shop. Go buy some clothes. Now, I am going to say the actual racing of this was pretty good between Charles Leclerc, the two Red Bulls, and a lot of the midfield racing was actually pretty good. Good passing. My main problem with F1 in total is the fact that all of the racing basically boils down to who has DRS and who doesn't. But it's not a good look from the beginning of it to months in the past to what happened now. Just not a very good look or good weekend for F1. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think it was good? Did you like the racing? Did you care at all? Whatever it is, do you watch F1? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.